Good afternoon, my dear friends. Why are you so sad? Yesterday I gave you an interesting thing. Still you are sad. Where is Mr. Ravi? Mr. Ravi? Hey, I told you that you should make the class sit in groups. So did you do?
Yes, sir.
How many groups?
4 groups.
Very good. Sit down. Very nice. So, my dear friends, today we have a very interesting topic. But before it, let me see your back knowledge whether you know or not. Mr. Sundaram, Paul Sundaram,
Yes, sir.
do you know the motto of rover?
Service, sir.
Very good. So nice. Madam Lakshmi,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
motto of cub?
Do your best, sir.
Very good. Do your best. So nice. Sit down. Mr. Das?
Yes, sir.
Motto of scout?
Be prepared, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So I think you are much aware of all the 3 units. So you are already in group. So now let us take our topic as group system linked with group and pair. Sudha Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
read the topic.
Group system linked with troop and pack.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So I request all of you kindly give me, if you kindly have your ears with me so that I can inject a few important, fruitful capsule in your mind so that you can boost yourself in future. You don't feel any shame. So by the end of our session, all of you will be very much acquainted with to define group system linked with group and pack. I am sure you will also be able to explain group system. So, as you are already in the group, so as you are already having the familiarity with the mottos, so my job will be very easy. So our content is group system. My students, scouting follows group system. Group system is the soul of the movement. We have 3 groups: Cub, Scout, Rover. So these 3 units consist of group. One thing, Mr. Narayan, yeah, please. Yesterday you asked this question, so kindly keep it up and make it clear and let me know tomorrow. If we have Cub, and in Cub, if we have 2 units, it will be called group. Likewise, units within the unit or unit with the fragments. Cub between Cub and Scout, between Scout and Rover, or among Cub, Scout, Rover. So all these 3 units can be under group and they can be more than 1 unit. So keep in mind. So with this we are here to take the further lesson. So as we know, Cub pair and Scout group. So these 2 units are run by group leaders. But before it, as you know, we must register our unit in the beginning through local or district or the state. They will send some warrant letter, charter to the group leader, and he will be authority to make the group run. So, in this group, Cub pack. Now let us concentrate to our 2 groups, 2 units rather, Cub pack and Scout troop. When they have to work together in order to complete their Cub program, agreeable to principles and methods. Mr. Rao, principles and methods are very, very important for all the 3 units. And when we are with Cub pack, so principles and methods, they must be well acquainted. Mukesh, principle. We have one more principle. Do you know? Okay, thank you. So principles and methods for Cub pack. Similarly, Scout group has to work out according to Scout program, and they must be well acquainted with the principles. Similarly, Mr. Sundaram, we have same principles in rover. So could you help me how many principles in rover? No, yesterday I told. You don't forget? Okay, tomorrow come with learning. So no problem. We are here with scout, troop and cup pack. So group leader is the head of this family. This woman is just like a family. Unit leader is second head of this family. They have mutual understanding. Ready? Keep your mind here. Okay. Group leader is the head of the family. So he has more liability, more responsibility fixed on his shoulder. So group leader as well as unit leaders, they work just like chain in the link of this system. Group leader is the head of the council, member of committee. So unit leader and group leader, they work together in order to make the unit run successfully. Are you getting my point? Okay. So the duty of unit leader to inform group leaders about different activities like investiture ceremony, going up ceremony, hiking, camping, campfire, parents' evening, and other such activities assigned to us by our state as well as headquarters. So all these things have to be done by unit leader in cooperation with group leader. So they are very important. As I told, they are cementing bond in this system. Cup pack must be loyal to Cup law. Without promise and law, we can't make any return of factory. We must be bound by some rules and regulations. Do you agree with me? Yes. So that's why there is bad system. It is a progress from Pravesh to Golden Arrow, from Pravesh to Rashtrapati, from Pravesh to Rajyapal, Uprashtrapati Award, Prime Minister, so many awards, medals are there. So it is a continuous progress system. Whenever they do any best, we just give you get best and get. So it's a kind of motivation. So they must be loyal to law and best system. Cup pack. So far as Scout Troop is concerned, as I told, progressive, so they too have to follow their badge system. There are so many proficiency badges, so many. So if they complete one badge, then they are promoted to higher. Am I right? Mr. Bose? Mr. Bose? What is full form?
Court of honor.
Very good. He is very sincere student. I like him. Last time he was topper. So court of honor is the soul of this movement. The head of COH. All the activities are run. Anything, any new thing, group leaders, they come and they pass the resolution in COH, and in this manner, they make the unit run perfectly. So, two bodies are there. Group council and group committee. Without these two bodies, we can't do anything. Group council and group committee. They work for the success of the unit, whether for cup or whether for pack. So up till now, I made my way clear. So I think the point must be in your mind: cup, pack, and Scout troop. So I have very beautiful things for you to show, that is class. So kindly have a look, and this is for your future. So Mr. Ravi, tomorrow you make procedure for the going on ceremony. Okay, thank you, all the best. Jai.